This is Mrs. Carlson, the math consultant here at Webb Elementary School, and I am here to congratulate so many of you on using our math programs. We have been using Reflex, Freckle, and Extra Math.
And Lexia for literacy too.
We'll get to her in a second. That's Mrs. Johnson. So today, I would like to congratulate quite a few of you for doing so well in your Reflex. Analia Gugliotti, you have solved 1,000 facts and you have moved up in your fluency levels. Kazi Spence, same thing. You have moved up a lot of fluency facts and also solved 1,000 facts. Alyssa Kurzawa, you have moved up to 50 new fluent facts. Good for you, Alyssa. Esmeralda says 50 new fluent facts also. Ricardo Arroyo, also known as Ricky, has moved up 1,000 facts. He has solved 1,000 facts, and he is now 60% fluent on his facts. Matea Caro, 25 facts to new fluent facts, and she's also solved 1,000 facts. Alex Dabrowski, you have also gained a lot more new fluent facts. Melanie Arroyo, 1,000 total facts solved, and you have completed 5 green light days. Good job, Melanie. Jacob Canas Furman has moved all over the place, has so many new fluent facts, and has solved over 2,000 facts. 2,000 of them. He is 60% fluent. Matthew Hahn, 75 new fluent facts. Mary Alice Torres Rodriguez, I call her Mary, 25 new fluent facts also. Trinier, you have also moved up to 50 new fluent facts. Armani Bays, you have solved 1,000 facts. And you've also had 5 green light days, which means he's done it for 5 days in a row. And Jackson Austin, you have moved up so many fluent facts over and over again. I'm so proud of you. Teachers and students, if you have heard your name listed today, come down and see me so you can sign the wall outside of my little math room down here. Also, if you have moved up any certificates in Freckle or in Extra Math, bring your certificate down and show me so you can sign the wall as well. Outside of our classroom and outside your classrooms, there's these little cookies on the wall or math facts, or upstairs you have multiplication facts. You're going to see baskets in your hallway. If you would like to go through and solve all of the facts on the chart, have your teacher check it and bring it to me. You can also solve the wall and sign the wall outside the classroom, so your name will be listed out there too for doing an excellent job with your math facts. I'm so proud of you. And here is Mrs. Johnson. You might want to take a break because this is going to be long. Our reading consultant.
Hi, Webb Wildcats. So we have a lot of students who have moved up a level in Lexia, and I want to make sure that I share their names. So in kindergarten, in Mrs. Garcia's class, I want to congratulate Liliana for moving up 3 levels, Lindsay for moving up 2 levels, Kanal for moving up 3 levels, Vidhi for moving up 2 levels, Michael moved up 2 levels, Dante, Kiernan, Connor, Annabelle all moved up a level. Emmy moved up 2 levels, and so did Riley. Congratulations to all the kids in Mrs. Garcia's class. In Mrs. Ercolani's class, we have Andrew, Abigail, Jackson, Caitlin, and Nathan, who all moved up 2 levels. We have Lilia, Veronica, Madeline, Elliot, Harper, and Jenna, who all moved up 1 level, and a big congratulations to Luigi for moving up 3 levels. In Mrs. Melanguagio's class, we have Juliana, Ashton, Jake, Joshua, Christian, Mateo, Fiona, Amelia, Elijah, and Thomas all moving up a level. Christian moved up 2, and Joshua moved up 3. Congratulations. In Mrs. Wilson's class, we have Nora, Alex, David, Amel, Layla, April, Zara, Quinn, Angel, and Jackson, all moving up a level in Lexia. Let's give a big round of applause to all of our kindergarten and first graders for working so hard in our Lexia program. For second grade, in Mrs. Giliberto's class, we have Delilah, Brielle, Avery, and Manuel, all moving up one level. Emma moved up 2 levels, and Isra moved up 7 levels. Congratulations. In Mrs. Voskanov's class, we have Emma, Ariana, Madison, and Alleluia all moving up 1 level, and Emma Miller moving up 2 levels. In third grade in Mrs. Olson's class, we have Maxwell, Ashlyn, Helios, Valerie, and Madeline, all moving up 1 level. And in, Mrs. Macaluso's class, we have Esmeralda and Elijah, each moving up 1 level. Big congratulations to all of our second and third graders in their Lexia Core 5 program. In fourth grade, in Mrs. Dunham's class, we have Addison, Avery, Anna, all moving up 1 level. We have Ariana moving up 2 levels, and Ikra, who moved up 5 levels. 5. In Mrs. Tashner's class, we have Caitlin, Emily, Emma, Garrett, and Sophie, all moving up a level. And now for our fifth graders. In Mrs. Fidium's class, we have Xavier, Ardra, Macy, Nadia, Ariana, and Jeremiah, all moving up 1 level. And in Mr. Silver's class, we have Talia, Katie, Ryan, and Miriam. Congratulations to all of our literacy learners here at Webb. Keep up the hard work and make sure that if you haven't gotten your certificate for this month, that you come down to my office to get your certificate. And I look forward to making the announcement next month with all of the students here who have moved up a level. Your hard work pays off.